Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. And I want you to take a look at my beets. These are my beets. There are about 150 beets growing in these planters. They're like 4 planters. And they're doing so fantastic. I love the colors that are on these leaves. I love the colors that are on these leaves. They are so genuine, so original. They are so great. I love this, the way this looks. This is beautiful. I love this. And then you'll go and you'll see variations that look similar like this, whose leaves are much, much different. And look at that stalk. Isn't that stalk beautiful down there? Oh my gosh, guys. Can't wait to eat this. So can you see the beet that's down there sitting down at that stalk? Yes. Yes, I think you can see that. Let's try it. Take a look at it again. Right down there? Yes, that's it. That's it. I don't know how big it is, but I know what? These stalks are enormous. They are enormous. Look at that. Guys, these are torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds or your plants in these planters, and guess what? They grow your beets for you, and you'll get lots and lots of beets. These planters have been growing I dropped my seeds in these planters, and they've been growing my beets now since the beginning of the year. And all I do is come out and I harvest my beets. One planter of this size last year generated over 30 beets. These self-growing planters are designed to grow your food, to grow your beets. That's why I have about 100 beets coming out of these planters right here, because the leaves are so beautiful. They've been growing with kale, and I grew them with kale because your self-growing planters can grow with a lot of different things. But it is amazing how these leaves look, how luscious they are, how beautiful they are. I just wanted you to see that, the colors, and of course the colors affects the flavor and the texture and so many other things that are part of these beets. That celery going down there with it. We harvest that celery. We probably harvested maybe about 1 pound. No, I'll say about 2 pounds from this one plant already. And they're all growing together. And it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. I just want you to see the beets and enjoy it. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.